Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and as you can see, an amazing Championship White FN2 Honda Civic Type R on the ramps. So this FN2 is having a Teguar 4:1 manifold and Teguar 70mm exhaust system prior to map. Good parts, it's what we recommend. The Teguar 70mm is still probably our favourite exhaust for the FN2. Great value for money, does exactly what it needs to. So really happy with that. The customer's going to love it. As you can see, our Jello is busily taking bits off, ain't you, mate?
And doing some seized bolts.
Seized bolts. Well, it is a Civic, mate. It is a Civic. Right, we'll check back with Jeno when he's got some parts on. Okay, so the FN2 has now had its Teguar 70mm and its 4:1 manifold fitted, and now we're doing some health checks. So Richard's going around the usual areas, but next up we shall have it on the dyno and we'll start tuning with the Ecutek software. So yeah, well done, Jeno. Okay, so as you can see, the FN2 is up onto the dyno and we're going to do a stock power run before we start any tuning. This is going to give us a base figure and hopefully we can improve on that. We're going to flash the stock ECU with Ecutek software. That gives us the ability to data log and see what's going on. So let's make some noise and hopefully a bit of power. FN2, got one of these, you know, Rich. I got one of these.
Have you?
Yeah, I love mine.
Right.
I'm just saying.
Bit enthusiastic, isn't it? Is this because it's the first video after we come back off holiday?
Yeah.
Well, after I came back off holiday.
I've missed you.
You've not?
Honestly, everyone at home's missed you, Rich.
No, it's not.
They have.
No one cares whether I'm here or not.
They do care. I'd care if you weren't here.
Yeah. Well, I was having my bathroom done last week, so I went away on holiday thinking that I'll get that sorted out.
What, your bathroom on your yacht?
On my yacht? No, at home.
Oh, right, okay. Has your
yeah.
helicopter got a bathroom in it?
No, it hasn't, no. You just have to wet the floor.
Oh, so it's only a budget helicopter then?
Yeah, it's only a budget helicopter.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was getting done last week, and there's been an overspill of a few bits getting sorted out, so it's been a bit stressful at home, but not too bad. Well, for those that care, that are interested.
I told you they do care. Yeah. They're interested.
Yeah. So really, it's not our first job of the week, obviously necessarily. We've done other jobs, which is not necessarily.
It's our first map.
It's our first map of the week. So we've done some work on this car. We've done a 4-to-1 decap manifold and a Tegra 70mm exhaust.
Thanks, Johnny.
It's got a standard induction kit. There's no other mods on this car, so really it's just those two mods.
Oh, sorry, the Tegra exhaust and the 4-to-1 manifold are available on the Dynodaze website.
Oh, there you go. I thought you forgot there for a split second.
Yeah, I did forget for a split second.
Yeah, and then obviously with Matt's using the Ecutek software. Car's reacted really well. We did do a run with the car modified. We didn't do it in standard form. Got quite a lot to do today, so.
But we've made about 220 brake hammer.
Yeah,
that's the final figure. It's about 220.
Yeah, 220 final figure. So I'm happy
considering
with that.
That's only got a 4-to-1 and an exhaust on it, although they are the ones that we recommend.
Yeah,
so I think that's done well.
I think it's done really well. Yeah, I think I'm really happy with that. I don't think you'd have made much more. I think with an induction kit, maybe another 5 with a good induction kit. But yeah, for the mods that it's already got on it, or the mods that it's selected to put on there, I think that's done really well.
I like it because it's a Champ White. Now I've got a special place in my heart for a Champ White FN2.
Oh, really? I should buy yours off you and then paint it a funny colour, just to annoy you.
Mate, the way things are going, I'll be begging you to buy it off me at some point. Because I'll have to live in the Evo.
Nah, things are not that bad.
No, they're not. I'm only joking.
It's just you've got to only fill your helicopter up once a week rather than twice.
It's the heated swimming pool that does it for me.
Yeah, well, electric is really expensive now, ain't it?
There's only so many high low octane fuel maps to copy, isn't there?
Yeah, yeah.
To heat that swimming pool. No, I've got a lot of stock in, guys. A lot of stock. So we've got a lot of Tegra with 70mm exhaust, RRC inlet manifold, Skunk 2 induction kits. We've got lots of parts in stock.
We have got a lot of the Jap speed manifolds as well.
Loads of Jap speed manifolds for EP3s, FN2s. So basically, we're sort of setting our stall out for the summer, knowing the kind of work that we're going to be doing. We decided we'd get all the stock in, and
yeah, we've literally gone for exhausts, manifolds,
induction
kits, and inlet manifolds because that's predominantly what we fit.
Yeah, we've got power flex, rear beam bushes. We pretty much, the majority of the stuff that we fit.
Our big sellers, basically, we've stocked up on, haven't we?
Yeah. So if you do need anything, give us a shout. If you want any advice, give us a shout. But let's go and look at this graph.
Let's have a look at the graph.
Let's do it.
So as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Power in the mid-range there, extended the rev range out, lowered VTEC, and we finish on just shy of 220 brake horsepower. So there we go, another one in the bag. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And code word, Champ White, go on. There's a few of us that have got Champ White, so Champ White on the code word. And we'll see you all very soon, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.